If you like and are crazy about sandwiches, then a sandwich maker is the best and necessary gadget for you. Here are our recommended top sandwich makers based on price, rating, quality, and reviews in 2020. Number 1. Cuisinart Sandwich Grill. It is one of the best lunch makers on our list. It has deep pockets so it can properly press the sandwiches till it's done in an accurate form like a sandwich. It is also an opportunity for you to make 2 sandwiches in one time. Number 2. Breville Deep Sandwich Toaster. One of the famous and hit models of this category is Breville Deep Fill VST Sandwich Toaster. One of the deep filling with specific and wonderful design. It has a non-stick and removable plate which is excellent and easy to clean. You can make sandwiches at one time easily. Number 3. NETTA 2-Slice Panini Maker and Health Grill. The best multi-purpose works in high power models are NETTA Slice Panini Maker. It is a whole of the good class products and worth the money. It is used for multi-purposes like sandwiches, burgers, steaks, and many more. Number 4. Salter XL Deep Fill Sandwich Toaster. One of my favorite brands and models is Salter Sandwich Toaster. It provides you with large and stuffed thick sandwiches without carrying heavy machines. 3 or 2 broad plates utilized for sandwiches which consist of non-stick and quality form. Number 5. Wilbur Gourmet Sandwich Maker. One more top choice model of the year is the Wilbur Sandwich Maker. Its handle is oversized with stainless steel housed. It looks amazing and used for many more recipes. It also helps you to get healthy food by way of less oil and fat. Drip tray. The links below in the description will get you to the official supplier which has the best price available.